In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center an image in Webflow, an important skill if you're crafting a visually balanced website. Whether you're starting from scratch or modifying an existing project, centering images can enhance the aesthetics and usability of your design. Let's walk through this step-by-step process and make it easy for you. First, head over to the Webflow website. You'll notice the option to start for free, a great way to explore its functionalities without any financial commitment. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one using your email and password, or even more conveniently sign in with your Google account. This process is simple, and once your account is set up, create a unique password to ensure your account's security. After logging in, you'll land on your Webflow homepage. Here, select the site where you want to center an image, click on the Open button to access your chosen site. Depending on your internet connection and computer speed, loading times may vary. Once inside the site editor, navigate to the Assets panel. Here, you will find your first option for centering an image. Browse through this panel and select the image you intend to center. Next, drag and drop it onto your canvas. When the image is on the canvas, you can reposition it to fit precisely in the center. Make sure it aligns well with the rest of your content for a professional look. You might need to tweak some settings, so go ahead and adjust as necessary until it looks just right. Now, if you like experimenting with methods, or if the first option didn't satisfy your needs, there's a second approach. Start by clicking on the Add Element button. From the available options, add a div block to your canvas. This div block will act as a container for your image, giving you more flexibility in positioning. Once you've added the div block, open the Assets panel again and choose the image you wish to center. Drag the selected image to your newly created div block. With the image now inside the div block, the next step is to go to the Settings panel. Here you'll find the option to apply Flexbox. Flexbox is a powerful tool for automatically centering elements within their containers. Apply it to the div block to neatly position your image in the center. Finally, once you've arranged everything to your liking, it's time to publish your work. Find the Publish button and click on it. Select the domains to which you want to publish your updates, and your changes will go live. By following these steps, you've successfully learned how to center an image in Webflow. Centering images is more than just a visual improvement. It contributes to better design coherence and user experience. Happy designing.